Hello guys, this is the Math Master, and today, as you know, we're going to be doing the first topic of additional mathematics course code 4037, which is simultaneous equations, simultaneous linear and non-linear equations. So let's get started. We're going to be solving 3 questions today, and the rest will be done tomorrow or whenever the next video comes out. So question number 1, it's 2x plus y equals 5 and x plus 2y equals 7. Now whenever you given with two equations, this one is linear because the highest power is 1. So what you have to do, the first step is just label them, like this one as 1 and this one as number 2. Don't label them a or b such as variables, because they can include variables in the question, like x plus 2y could have been a plus 2b. So don't do that. Just label them with numbers 1 and 2. So featuring the first equation over here, 2x plus y equals 5, we can make y the subject by subtracting 2 from both sides, and we get 5 minus 2x. Y equals 5 minus 2x. Now highlighted, we have made one of the subject and give it the number 3. Now that we can feature the second equation, which is x plus 2y equals 7. Now you know the value of y, we can put this value 3 into equation number 2. Why? To calculate x. Simple as that. We want to remove one term, and to do that we can do this. Just watch. X plus 2 bracket 5 minus 2x equals 7. Why is this? Because this y is the same no matter it's so in this equation or this equation. This y is same. So we can write x plus 10 minus 4x equals 7. Now you can easily simplify it. Minus 4 plus 1 equals minus 3x. And when we subtract 7 from both sides, we get 10 minus 7, which is plus 3. We can shift the 3 on the other side, which will give us minus 3x equals minus 3. Now we can shift this over there, which will give us the number x equals 1, because x equals minus 3 over minus 3, minus cancel, 3 1s are 1 over 1, x equals 1. Alright, so this was how it was to be done. Now we can utilize this space right here. You know how to do this, so we can utilize this space to find y. Y equals 5 minus 2x. Y equals 5 minus 2. What will come in place of x? We have already found the value of x, what the number x is, so we can just place this number, substitute it over here. This is, by the way, known as the substitution method, because you substitute those values of y and x into different equations, which will give you the answer. 5 minus 2 multiplied by 1 in bracket will give you 5 minus 2, which is 3. Y equals 3. And if it asks in coordinates, you can write x comma y, which would become 1 comma 3 if it's in coordinates. So that was question number 1, and I hope you understand it. So we're going to be another question. Do another question. Let me just erase it real quick. Alright, question number 2. 2x minus 3y equals 12. 3x plus 4y equals 1. Alright, so we've got the same equations, but we have to deal with fractions over here, so we can easily do that, which is we can feature the easy equation, to do the making subject thingy. Alright, so we can feature equation number 1, which is 2x minus 3y equals 12, making x the subject. X equals 12 plus 3y over 2. Now this is very basic. You know how to minus from the both sides and divide both sides to get cancel and get this equation. So once you've get this, you can now write it in the second equation. 12 plus 3y over 2 plus 4y equals 1. Now multiply it, you can get 3 12s which is 36, and 12 1 12 2 24, yeah, and plus 9y over 2 plus 4y equals 1. Now I'm just gonna erase this equations, so maybe not, I'm just gonna continue whatever, because I don't have much space over here. So multiplying this 1 by 2 to make the denominator same, we get 36 plus 9y plus 8y is equal to 2. And why is that? How come the fraction was removed? Because this whole term was divided by 2, so we shifted the 2 over here with 1, so it got multiplied by 1, because the 2 gets multiplied if it's being divided on the other side, and gets divided if it's being multiplied on the other side. So once we know this, we can easily calculate y, which is 36 plus 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 minus 2, 36 minus 2 is 34. 36 plus 7y equals 2. Now to make y the subject, we can easily do something, which is right here. 34 plus 17y equals 0. 17y equals minus 34, and y equals minus 2 is your answer. So simple as that. Make one of them a subject and you can easily find out the value. Now to do y, to calculate x, what we need to do is simply put the value of y in the equation. In which equation should we put the value? Now we know this came out as x equals 12 plus 3y over 2. So we can easily calculate y by writing x equals to 12 plus 3 minus 2, because y we calculated this is over here, so we can write y over there, and 12 plus 3, so x equals 12 plus 3 bracket minus 2, 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 is 6, and 6 divided by 2 is 3, so x equals 3 as our answer. And if they ask in coordinates, so you can write 3 comma minus 2. That's the substitution method. And moving towards our last question, which is quite difficult as it includes terms like fractions, and you can easily make a silly mistake as well. So third question is 4x plus 3y equals 8 and 2y minus 3x equal to 11. Now you can easily make the subject like before. X equals 8 minus 3y over 4 and 2y minus 3, which is 8 minus 3y over 4 equals 11. 2y minus 24 plus 9y over 4 equals 11. Now for 8y minus 24 plus 9y is equal to 4 into 11 is what? 44. So yeah, that's the answer, and we can easily simplify to get y. Now you should know how to do it after this. So erasing these steps, eight y plus 9y is 17y, minus 24 minus 44 is minus 24, minus 34 minus 44 minus 44, so minus, let me use a calculator real quick, just a minute guys. Yeah, it's minus 17y minus 68. Now you get equals 0, minus 68 equals 0. Now you shift this on the other side, which is 17y equals 68, and you can easily divide 68 by 17 to get the answer, which is y equals 4. Now similarly you can write x equals to 8 minus 3y. You have already calculated y, so you write 4 over here over 4. 8 minus 12 is minus 4 minus divided by 4 equals minus 1, and you get the answer minus 1 comma 4 is your answer. Hope this video did some good to you and you learned something new today, or maybe your some kind of query was cleared. I hope you will subscribe, like and share as well, and make sure to follow us regularly because we post new videos every day or two. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.